Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome. In this lesson I'm going to explain how SvelteKit's built-in routing system works. Routing is one of the core features of SvelteKit and saves so much time in development. The routes of your web application will be defined by the folder structure within the project, specifically in the source/routes directory. For example, creating a page in source/routes would be the index page. A page created in source/routes/about will be the /about page. A page created in source/routes/blog/1 will be the /blog/1 page. You get the point. We can also have dynamic pages defined by using square brackets in the folder name. Then we would be able to access whatever variable we have here and fetch the data for that dynamic page accordingly. For example, in this case, navigating to /blog/5, we would be able to tell the page is trying to access a blog post with the ID 5, and we could fetch the blog post 5 from the backend. The source/routes folder is where you would create your routing structure by default, but you could also change this if you want for any reason by editing the project config. Each of these folders should have one or more route files, which are identified with a plus prefix, for example, +page.svelte, +page.js, +error, +layout, and so on. All other files in the routes directory will be ignored by Svelte, meaning that you could also keep page-specific components or other related stuff within the route itself, although I don't recommend it, because as your project grows, this might cause confusion. I will get into more details about all of these different route files later in separate lessons.